Hey guys, the Coffee Connoisseur here, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to brew the freshest, smoothest, and most flavorful coffee in a French press. Let's hop right into it. Before we begin, you're going to need to gather up 5 items. A French press, coffee of your choice, hot water, a tablespoon, and a grinder. Step 1. Measure and grind your coffee beans coarsely. I personally like to have a ratio of 2 tablespoons of coffee for every cup of water. But if you like stronger coffee, go for 3 tablespoons. And lighter, go for 1 tablespoon. Next, you're going to want to grind your beans coarsely. About the size of sea salt. You can use that for a comparison if you have any at home. Also, make sure to clean your grinder after each and every use. You'll get the best flavor every single time. Step 2. Pour your grinds into the French press. Step 3. Pour hot water onto the grounds. Make sure you're not using boiling hot water. Make sure it's around 195 degrees Fahrenheit or 90 degrees Celsius. If you don't have a thermometer, no worries. What I do, I just let it sit for about 2 minutes to let it cool down just to about that temperature. And never stir your French press. Stirring will mess up the extraction process, leading to a bitter taste. Step 4. Put the lid on. But do not press the coffee just yet. Let it sit for 4 to 5 minutes. 4 for a lighter brew, and 5 for a darker brew. Step 5. Press the coffee slowly to the bottom. Step 6. Pour into a cup and enjoy. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you have brewed the best coffee in a French press you have ever had. Like this video if you liked it, subscribe for more, and I will see you soon. Peace.